Unlock your full development potential by mastering Lovable's core functionalities and hidden powerhouses. First, let's dive into effective project organization. Utilize Lovable's tagging system to categorize tasks, sprints, and client deliverables. A simple step can dramatically reduce search time and keep your projects neatly segmented. Next, optimize your workflow with customizable task templates for repetitive tasks. Create a template with predefined subtasks, assignees, and relevant tags. This saves countless hours and ensures consistency across your projects. Don't overlook Lovable's powerful search and filtering options. Learn to combine keywords with specific filters like due dates, assignee, and status to pinpoint exactly what you need instantly. This is a game changer for navigating complex projects. Now, let's explore a hidden gem: personalized notification settings. Tailor your notifications to receive alerts only for events that are critical to your role. This minimizes distractions and keeps your focus sharp. Leverage Lovable's integration capabilities connected with your existing tools, such as version control systems or communication platforms, to create a seamless development ecosystem. This empowers unified and efficient workflow. Finally, embrace collaboration with Lovable's commenting and feedback features. Provide clear, concise feedback directly on tasks, and encourage your team to do the same. This fosters transparency and speeds up decision-making. By implementing these tips, you'll transform your Lovable experience from just a platform to a true productivity accelerator, getting more done with greater ease and less effort.